Hey guys, hopefully you are doing great. So today's topic is how you update or reinstall WordPress uh, manually via FTP. So first thing is first, what you have to do, download WordPress latest version from wordpress.org. Alright, go to wordpress.org, then go to downloads, get WordPress. Now download WordPress latest version to your local computer, and I will place it inside WordPress latest folder here. Okay, now let's open that folder. While it's downloading, now second thing you have to do, connect your web server with FTP. Okay, connect your web server with FTP and load all your website installation files, WordPress installation files in your remote side of your FileZilla. I am using cPanel web hosting. That's why my root folder is public_html, where all files of my website are located. To reinstall WordPress, remember you cannot delete wp-content. This have your theme files, plugin files, your uploads, your cache, everything. So do not delete it at any cost, otherwise you will lose everything. Okay, the second file you cannot delete is wp-config.php. This file holds the database connection information which is required. Alright, and also do not delete .htaccess file or any your server configuration files, like you can see php.ini or user.ini. Now I am going to select the files which you can delete without any problem. Remember, deleting is better than overwriting. If you just have to overwrite, then it's better you reinstall WordPress from WordPress admin dashboard. For whatever purpose, maybe your website is hacked or blocked. Okay, once again, make sure you are not deleting wp-config.htaccess and wp-content. You are deleting wp-admin, wp-includes. Alright, delete these files. While they are deleting, let's extract our downloaded file here. We downloaded it here. Let's extract it. The WordPress we have downloaded from wordpress.org. Remember, you do not need to upload wp-content folder because you already have your wp-content folder here. So do not upload it. Okay, so I will remove it simply from here. So these are the files I have to upload, and I will select this and paste it here. See, I have wp-admin, wp-includes, and I do not have wp-config here. You can see it's sample, not config file, so there's no chance it can be overwritten. Let's wait for these both folders to delete completely, then I will start uploading these folders, and we are done. Our WordPress have been manually updated or reinstalled. Okay, as you can see that almost all files related to WordPress core and folders like wp-admin and wp-includes have been deleted. Just few files are left. FTP is slow. This is how it works, so I'm sorry about that. Okay, once these all have been deleted, we just have to upload these files and folders here. Okay, make sure that you already have deleted wp-content folder here. You do not need to re-upload that because you already have that folder which holds your data. So do not replace or delete that folder. That's all. If you are confident what you are doing, you can always use cPanel The file manager, that's very easy, and that do things very quickly. FTP sends command and receives results, send command and receive results. That's why it's slow. Okay, this is done, so we are ready. Let's upload it. Once it's uploaded, you have successfully reinstalled your WordPress via FTP. Okay, and this is how you can manually update your WordPress, or you can reinstall your WordPress. Make sure there is no failed file here. If there is some failed file which could not upload, just reset and requeue that. Otherwise, you can face some problem.